ng ABS-CBN kasi gusto naman talaga namin na patunayan na magaling talaga ang husay ng isang Pinoy artist. So again, maraming salamat. And on behalf of ABS-CBN, we welcome you officially to Star Magic and to ABS-CBN. Congratulations and welcome home.
Oh, welcome home. Thank you very much for that heartfelt message, Direk Lauren. Mas naramdaman namin kung gaano kahalaga, kung gaano kalaki yung tagumpay ni Sofronio na hindi lang para sa kanya, kundi para sa milyong-milyong mga Pilipinong nangangarap. And now we also have a message from our business unit head and the head of Polaris Management, Sir Riley Santiago.
Hello. Hi, Sof. The last few months may seem like a whirlwind of success. Pero doon sa mga nakakakilala kay Sof, matagal na journey ang tinahak niya. No? Because we know you deserve all the love that you are receiving. So that's why we're celebrating this event. We knew for many years, TNT and its Showtime, we knew you had the skills, the heart, the mindset, and then it's just a matter of time na ma-recognize ng buong mundo yung talento mo. So, you are a proof that we do here, what we do here every day is looking for raw Filipino talent and lifting it up. Will always pay off. Because now, because of you, we can remind everyone that the Filipino voice is world-class and worthy of being heard. You really make us proud, Sof. Thank you for upholding Filipino excellence and talent. With this partnership, we will help you keep winning and living your dream. Welcome to Star Magic.
World-class indeed. Thank you very much, Sir Riley Santiago, for your message for our dear Sofronio. Pero alam mo, Sof, kung ngayon pa lang pang-overwhelm ka na, hindi dyan nagtatapos ang mga well wishes para sa'yo. Para sa bawat kapamilya at sa madlang people, Sofronio has truly become an inspiration sa lahat ng mga nangangarap at nabibigo, pero nagpapatuloy pa rin patungo sa tagumpay. So be prepared, something special for you, Sof. Let's all watch this.
It all started with a dream. A small voice from Misamis Occidental dreamed of being heard around the world.
Halos lahat ng mga reality shows ng ABS-CBN inilaan ko.
But the road to success was not an easy one.
Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang rejections na ang nakuha ko.
And every contest, no matter the competition, he bared his soul and sang his heart out. With dedication, perseverance, and sheer talent, his dreams began to unfold on the nationwide stage.
Every time nag-audition ako sa mga competitions, tawag ng tangalan po yung unang pumansin sa akin. Ito yung pangarap ko na naging champion sila, sana maging champion din ako.
But when victory remained elusive, he took his talents behind the scenes as a vocal coach, helping fellow singers to find their voices. As life led him to faraway places, fueled by the power of his dream, he became the first Asian and Filipino champion of The Voice USA. From humble beginnings to international recognition, the voice of Sofronio Vasquez is a gift to every Filipino and the whole world.
What I like about Sofronio is that he is a fighter. He's going to do everything to achieve his dreams.
He's so kind and very respectful and trustworthy, of course, and very straightforward na tao namin.
Napaka-disiplinado. Kaya yun yung nilulook up ko sa kanya. And when it comes naman sa trabaho, talagang lagi siyang dumarating na prepared. Alam niya yung gagawin niya at kung hindi man sobrang matanong na bata.
My most favorite thing about Pia Sofronio is that he never fails to see potential sa mga taong nakasama niya and he always encourages people.
And napaka-generous niya sa lahat ng mga ideas when it comes sa musicality. Kaya, salute po.
Ang masasabi ko lang kay Safronio, he is humble and kind. Yun po talaga yung description ko sa kanya. Talagang hindi talaga nagbago yun.
I'm so happy and very proud sa lahat ng achievement niya. Lalo na sa pagkapanalo niya sa The Voice. Ang dami niyang sinacrifice, ang dami niyang trabaho, hanggang sa makamit niya ito.
Yung wish ko para kay Safronio is maging successful sa career niya. Matupad niya yung pangarap niya para sa mama niya at saka sa buong pamilya.
Congrats off on this new milestone. Super sulit yung walang humpay mong pag-audition sa mga singing contest. We are all very proud of you.
It's your big contract signing. Kapamilya, congratulations, and I'm sure that you have wonderful, wonderful projects that inspire all the Filipinos and of course the entire world.
Deserve mo yan. Mapigyan ka talaga ng spotlight. This time na mas ipakiraw pa yung talent mo, proud na proud ka rin sa'yo.
Isa ako sa talagang masayang-masaya dito sa iyong journey. Good luck and enjoy the journey. God bless you.
I think isa ako sa dulo talaga. Sobrang proud sa'yo. Ayan. And now that you have a management company that represents you in the Philippines, so happy. And the Lord bless you always. Congratulations.
Congratulations and welcome to your Star Magic family. I'm sure you guys will be coming up with beautiful music and that will be so exciting for the whole industry. So I wish you all the best. Good luck and can't wait to hear what you guys come up with.
So I'm very happy na ngayon nagkakatotoo na yung mga pinag-uusapan natin. Masaya ako na Star Magic ang mag-handle sa'yo. Alam ko kung gaano kanila mapapangalagaan. You have been working for this moment. You have been sharing your talent to the whole world at dun pa lang sapat na mabless ka ng bonggang-bongga. Kaya congratulations, we love you.
Wish ko sa kanya, sana matupad niya lahat ang gusto niya na mangyari sa buhay niya. Congrats lang, sana gabayan ka sa Panginoon Diyos sa lahat ng gagawin mo. I'm proud of you lang. I love you.
And now, in his new chapter as a Kapamilya artist in the Philippines, the dream continues to burn brighter than ever. Inspiring Filipinos with his own journey, Safronio is ready to make more dreams come true. We proudly welcome you home, the Filipino Phenom, a Kapamilya dream come true, Safronio Vasquez.
At hindi na nga talaga napigilan ni Safronio na maiyak doon sa video na yun na punong-puno ng messages. Ilan lang yun sa mga nagmamahal sa'yo, Safronio. Pero sa totoo lang, napakarami of course na naniniwala sa'yo. Buong bansa ay proud na proud sa'yo. So, lalo na dun sa mga nandun para sa'yo, from the very start, you have a message for them. So, mula sa mga kapamilya at kaibigan mo, di ba, na mula sa TNT pa, sa It's Showtime family, The Voice USA, and of course, our management. What do you want to say to the people who believe in you?
Gusto ko lang po ulit magpasalamat sa Star Magic. Sarap sabihin na Star Magic. Sobrang ganda po ng experience ko today at this very moment. Pero mas maganda po yung naging experience ko looking back. Kasi lahat pala yun ay kasama pala sa magiging chapter na mangyayari ngayon. And I'm just very, very blessed na yung mga tao na nagmamahal sa akin, sinasabi nila na willing ako mag-sacrifice. But may mga tao din na willing mag-sacrifice just to help me achieve my dreams. Maraming salamat po kay Ma'am Cory, kay Sir Derek Loren, kay Sir Riley. Sobrang hindi ko alam kung paano po ako magpapasalamat. Gusto ko lang po talagang i-take yung chance na i-share sa buong mundo na huwag po kayo talagang tumigil sa thrive dun sa pangarap nyo. Kasi ibibigay at ibibigay sa inyo sa hindi oras na gusto natin, but oras niya. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Showtime family, sa lahat po ng nagsalita, sa mga family ko here and sa family ko rin sa abroad, and of course sa aking coach Michael Bublé. Always talaga ako emotional pag siya yung pinag-uusapan kasi he also made a very big impact dun sa paniniwala, dun sa fact na yung Filipino can be very global and international. So thank you coach, sa lahat ng family ko sa The Voice dun sa Amerika. I am back home. I will continue to bring and share kung ano yung napag-aralan ko doon, i-share ko dito, at ano yung makikita nila dito ay for sure makakarating din sa US. Thank you po sa inyo.
Sasubtitle na lang natin yon para sa mga taga The Voice USA. Oh. Pero Sof, nabanggit mo na nga, no? Lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, part din talaga yun ng journey mo, at it made this experience even sweeter. Kaya naman baka pwede na natin i-announce ngayon na meron kang gagawing very special tungkol sa iyong life dito sa ABS-CBN. Ay, parang hindi rin pala alam ni Sofronio. So ako na lang po ang mag-a-announce. Mga kapamilya, isang surprise ito para kay Sofronio din pala. So, meron po tayong niluluto na life story special ni Sofronio Vasquez. I'm sure that will be very inspiring. So, Sof, nabalitaan mo na ba ito? Anong feelings mo dito nagagawan ng life story special?
Excited ako talaga. Actually, hindi ko expect na pwede pala siyang sabihin. Pero more than the real life story, sobra akong na-excite kasi kung ano yung mapapakita nila ng buong ABS-CBN, I'm just so excited na yun mo, dati napapanood ko lang sa TV, ngayon sarili ko ng story. So, thank you.
Excited din tayo nga mapanood yan. Of course, lalo na kung ABS-CBN ang gagawa. Nako, hindi lang enough yung isang tissue na yan na isang set ng tissue dyan. Pero bukod dyan, of course, you also have shows. Your upcoming shows, Sofronio, saan ka ba mapapanood all over the world?
I am excited to share that I have few shows in the Philippines and then abroad. So I hope that you guys are always checking my Facebook page kasi na-post po yung poster. I don't know if meron tayong copy, but I have upcoming shows talaga. So Sacramento, San Leandro, Dubai, meron akong Australia, meron din akong Canada. And hopefully meron din yung TFC and Star Magic will produce series of concerts, US concerts. Ayun. Tsaka Philippines pala. Ayun. Nako. Ayan, thank you. Ayun, maraming salamat. I have New York. Nakapost naman lahat yan sa social media ko. So, yeah. I'm so excited.
Marami tayong aabangan kay Sofronio Vasquez. And now, to cap off this special occasion, let's take some photos. So, Sofronio, our dear bosses, kindly proceed to the stage for our photos, which will be taken by our friends from Nice Print Photography. And of course, the warm hugs, the embraces are continuing on with Sof and our dear bosses na talagang proud kay Sofronio sa kanyang achievement.